see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Happy Saturday, guys. Maulan na Sabado, maulan ng game. Lagi naman, di ba? Si Kuya, hinatid na ni John kasi 9:50 yung laro ni Kuya. So habang hinahatid ni John, si Kuya kami nagre-ready. Yung laro ng dalawang to dito lang naman sa bay. And yeah, hindi ko pa nag-chika si Kuya kasi pagdating namin, pagod na ang Kuya. But nakabili raw siya ng 3 jumpers. Kita ko sa inyo mamaya. Hanapin ko sa bag niya. Tingnan nyo yung weather, guys.
At least the wind backs off, Zach. At least the wind backs off. What it was.
Ayan. No wind? There is wind.
Right now it's 24%.
First nila is Kalangan. Oh, you put Heihan. Ano yung mga baka nagkukumpulan sila. Diyan muna kayo dito sa farm kasi kunin ko yung aking boots. Kasi yung isa kong boots nga may ano na to, may ano na siya, may butas na yung ilalim so nababasa. May hinihintay
I
ako.
think their ground's slow, Zach. They won't grow
May
much.
hinihintay
in
ako,
winter.
may in-order ako para sa pang
Poor horses.
alis-alis. Pero ngayon, ito muna ang gamitin ko, yung aking ginagamit
Where are
dito
they?
sa farm. Next to Holly's. Kasi nga baba. Medyas muna tayo. You think you're gonna win today? Yeah. That's a good positive thinking, Jackie boy. I hope the rain will stop, Zach. Like, so you're not gonna be wet and you're not gonna get sick. Si Kuya basa yung kasi aga yung laro niya eh. Thank
Every
you.
time I open this, I wait for the thing to come out.
Because you get used to the other car. Kumakanta si Janjan at si Holly. Dito na kami.
That one,
Do you know him?
I used to fight him all the time.
Why? For game?
I just used to bash him up.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Why? Why? Why you have to bash him?
Huh?
Why you have to bash
Because
him?
he was always smart, so I just thought I'd bash him, so I did.
Whatever.
He waved at your dad.
That's right. Wait
I
about
was just
you.
being smart. Remember me, mate? Timbo!
You're just full of ass. Sabi niya, no, they're all right. They're fine.
Dad, I'm not going yet.
Oh, yeah. Dala ko to kasi nga, panlabang ko to sa ulan. Okay, bye, bye. I'll see you there.
Yep.
Nauna na si Holly. Hala, wala pala tong ano.
Rabbit.
Wala pala tong... Akala ko meron akong hood nito. Yung isa pala yun. May hood ba ako? Kalimutan ko, guys. Alin yung may hood kong jump. Puffer or... Palakas ng palakas ang ulan. Yun, si Kuya basang-basa na yun. Si Holly in 30 minutes magsisimula na, sana tumigil to. Yung mga bata ayun na naglalaro. Nawala tayo ng boses. Hindi pa nga tayo yung talagang totaling magaling. Ngayon papaulan na naman tayo. Wow, hindi naman ako magpapaulan kasi may dalawang payong. Yung mga bata ba? I hope you're not gonna get sick again, Saki. Yeah. Kasi tingnan nyo naman. Oh my God. Si Jan umalis na. Pumunta na siya sa canteen para kumuha ng pumpkin soup and bacon and egg sandwich. Tinanong niya kung gusto ko. Sabi ko hindi. No, thank you. Kasi wala pa. Hindi pa tayo kakain. Mamaya pa tayo kakain. How about you, Sak? Later, are you gonna get something? I think chips.
I
It's
want to be cold out.
you won't be cold. Why?
I'll be running.
You will be running. Hindi raw siya lalamigin. Ito medyo may ano to, may pagka still ang katawan. Hindi raw siya lalamigin kasi, well, sabi naman niya pag tumatakbo tapos yung brain nila focus sa game, parang hindi raw talaga nila nararamdaman ang lamig. Pero after doon, nagagano na sila. Tapos siguro yung adrenaline. Ganun ba yun? Kasi yun din sabi ni Jan eh. Chips is good here, Sak. Yeah. Kasi mayroong mga chips na sa ibang pag na parang ang sagi. Alam mo yung parang super oily. Eto, hindi siya oily. Yung crunchy. Tapos may laman talaga. And dala ko yung laptop ko kasi habang hindi pa naman tayo pupunta doon, nagtatrabaho din tayo at the same time. Wala, hindi na ito titigil. That's okay. See you. Good luck na. I love you. I will try, okay? I will try to film. Kasi sabi niya, hindi. Lumakas na naman yung ulan. Inaas ko ito. Ay! Okay kayo? Hindi pa dumarating yung ano nyo eh, yung suction nyo dito sa car eh. Kaya, pasensya po. Tinanong niya ako kung pwede ako mag-film. Sabi ko, late na ako nakakapanood ng game mo. Sabi, see you na. Okay. Put your hoodie na. Go run. See you. Love you. Good luck. Okay. Alright guys, ako din mag-ready na. Lumalakas yung ulan. Good job, Holly. Naka-goal pala si Holly pero talo sila. Talo sila today. But naka-goal si Holly. Naka-shoot siya. Ayan, humihingi siya ng pera for food. Go Baba! Before the line-ups. Come on. Come on, before the line-ups. Go. Tapos na sila Holly. Dito naman tayo kay Sak. Mapapanood ko yung last quarter. Tingnan nyo yung oval. See? Ganito yung pinaglalaroan ngayon ni Sak. Tingnan, dumi-dumi nila. Ang puputi. Ayun si Sak number 4. Dito na si Saki boy.
Lucky it wasn't raining.
No, it's not raining. Panalo sila guys. How many goals was that sa? Kasi napanood ko sila patapos na din eh. How many goals? I didn't film Sak because
Don't know.
yeah, but you flagged them? Yeah. Panalo ang layo ng lamang nila. And
You want chip?
no, I'm good. Thank you. Kumain pala ako guys na chips and chicken soup. And si Holly, ihatid ng nanay ng friend namin kasi nandun siya sa nana ng friend niya. Malapit lang kasi dito. Maglalaro sila muna saglit tapos i-drop off si Holly. And yeah, talo sila Holly. Ang lalaki kila Holly. Parang hindi naman yung ka-age nila Holly. But yeah, talo sila. Ang lakas ng ulan nung naglalaro sila Holly. Tapos si Sak, my God, Sak, your jersey, my God. It's so dirty, it's so muddy. You have to hang it outside and we're gonna squirt it with a hose. Yeah?
No, you don't.
Yeah. I'm not gonna wash that in a washing machine like that. Because it's like mud. Where's Daddy? I thought we're gonna go after your game.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. Wala pa si Daddy. And, ayan. Nakakalong na yung laptop. Yung edit ako guys. Update ko na lang kayo later. So, guwapo! Diyan na si Kuya. Isa sa mga nabili niya sa Melbourne. Nanonood kayo ng football. Saturday football game. Kanina yung team ni Kuya Esidon. Now kay Sak. Oh my God, papahirapan nila ako ngayon maglaba. 5 o'clock na guys, and ayan, magluluto na ako. Prepare ko na yung mga gagamitin ko dyan. Well, not lahat, kasi maghihiwa pa ako nito. Yeah, panoorin nyo na lang ako habang nagpe-prepare tayo ng dinner ng mga bata. Yung request ni Sak, matagal niya ng request, is yung sweet and sour chicken.
Mama actually wants honey.
And honey? You want honey?
Can you do both?
No, not
I
both.
actually want some. Please.
No, not both, Sak. Gusto niya honey chicken also. No, we're just gonna sweet and sour. Next time, honey chicken. Si Kuya naman gusto niya teriyaki chicken. Okay, but tonight, dinner is sweet and sour chicken.
I'm gonna have some, Mom.
Yes, and nagluluto na tayo ng rice.
Yeah, hi. Real sure. You're going by. Yeah, bye.
Okay, see.
Where are you going?
Didn't
To his friend.
Bushka. You alright?
Friend Kuya. Friend Chloe. You like it? Wait for the sauce.
That's so good.
Well, is sauce ready?
Not yet, not yet. Malapit na dyan. Bukas pala punta kami ng Hamilton. I-check niya lang lahat ng costumes niya. Ayan. Kasi maaga kami bukas. One.
That's all I need.
Here. And then the Mary Poppin.
Wait.
And then,
Just gonna take
where's your PJs?
these out. Yeah, just let me take these out. Then top.
And then the ribbon, socks, and then the ribbon.
Yeah, I got the
No, the ribbon for the bow for the dress clothes.
Oh, yeah. Socks. Vest.
Yeah, all right, all good. And then the PJs.
Yeah, let me just put it.
The PJs is here.
I'm just gonna pack my fabulous. Just
Okay.
that's good. I'm just gonna check this one. number party first.
Na yung chicken, yung sauce na lang. And eto, habang busy ako, pinaprepare niya na yung kanyang babaunin bukas. Kasi maaga kami bukas. So, meron siyang sweet and chili sour cream, pretzels, Oreo, mandarin, chocolate na pa. So, ako kasi, yung footy ni Zach, close yung laban. So, nanonood ako. Tapos, ay, na-touch ko yung yung pinagpiputuhan ko ng chicken.
Come on, I have to try it with the chicken now. Look.
It's hot.
Hey, bro.
Hoy! Ana.
Mm. Why is the other one redder?
Which one?
This one.
That one is better.
Why is this one not as red?
No,
Because I don't put food coloring. It's a natural color. Why, you want really red?
No.
What's the taste like? Which one is better?
wait, let me check.
Hot
Just-
dog.
Half.
What half?
Half that.
Oh, what half?
Don't eat it all whole.
Why? Why? It's hot
No,
dog.
I'm not having that anymore. Alright, Mum, I want it.
Which one is better?
Don't know.
Oh.
Want me to grab a plate?
I already did.
Alright, can you take that plate for me?
Yeah, sorry.
Yum.
Guys, luto na ang aming ulam na sweet and sour chicken. Chicken sweet and sour. Okay, who's next? One more. One more, of course.
Give him
Kuya.
a few chicken, Mum.
Yeah, there's more. Yeah. Careful with your new jumper, Kuya.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Ready?
You just have here.
I'm winning.
Chinese food court. Tasty.
Bali.
Bali.
Oh,
Yeah. Wow. Tastes like Bali. Wow. You like it, yeah?
Yeah.
What's next?
Teriyaki.
Teriyaki chicken. Then
Honey soy chicken.
honey soy chicken. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. See you next
See
time.
you next time.
To eat. You're welcome. And Gumawa na ako ng sarili kong shorita. Ayan. Yung kanin ko ay shirataki rice.
I don't have no.
Yeah. Good. I have to. Guys, tapos nang kumain at ang natirang chicken is 1, 2, yan na lang, 2 na lang. Papatikim ko to kay Jan. Kasi si Jan maarte sa food. Ayaw yung mga ganito. Pero patry pa rin natin. Ayan, eto mga ano na to, gulay-gulay. Wala na yan na chicken. Oh, yan na lang yung natirang chicken. Diba? Very good ang kids. Zach! Rate it! From...
10 out of 10. 10?
Oh, thank you!
Definitely 10 out of 10, Mom. That was like the best.
Wow.
That was even better than when we had the chicken.
Wow. Kuya said it tastes like Bali.
I think it tastes wonderful.
Wonderful. Alright guys. Yun lang. Na-share ko lang. Naubos. 3 na lang natira. Yung aking shirataki hindi ko naman naubos. Nag-focus ako sa mga gulay-gulay at saka sa chicken. Happy Sunday guys. Good morning. Dito na kami sa car. On the way na kami sa Hamilton. Time is 8. Exacto 8 o'clock. Gumising ako 6 to 6 nag-alarm ako. Then bumangon ako 6:30. Inayusan ko siya. And yeah, we'll see you in Hamilton guys. Kasama siya first time this year. Nasasama siya sa company holiday. Kinakain niya na yung baon niya. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kanina kasi para matapos ko agad. Hindi nakalimutan ko rin kayo. Okay guys, see you later.
Good morning. I'm eating orange sweet chili sour chips.
Oh,
Pretzel.
you should eat the fruits first, Papa.
Yeah, I did.
Alright.
I ate my burger.
Okay, see you guys. Kangaroos.
Think you got it all mapped out. Sound so self-assured when you talk about all the things you're gonna do. You gon' let the world.
Dito na kami guys.
There.
Across campus. Yeah. Dito na tayo.
Walking in there.
Hamilton. 1 hour and a half ang drive galing sa bahay. So, dapat nandito kami 10:15, 9:45 pa lang. So, on time tayo. Ayan na. So, let's just park here. Nervous ba pa? No?
Cold.
Cold, yeah. It's freezing.
Can we go in?
Yeah.
Cold.
Let's go.
Where do we go?
Huh? Tapos na guys, and dito na kami sa Macas. Nagutom ang dancer natin. Mag-aalas 2 na. And yun, siya, hindi na siya uulit. Kasi ang tagal. Guys, dito na kami sa
Come
car.
outside,
Dito,
Noda.
dito kami
You're gonna
kumakain.
lose it.
What?
Hamburger.
Alright. Oh my God, ang tagal nila tawagin. Ang aga namin dito, di ba? Tapos gumising pa ako 6 o'clock. Nag-ayos 6:30, tapos nakarating kami dito before 10. Tinawag sila 1:30, 1:20. Tapos natapos sila mga alas 2. Mga 2:10. Ngayon 2:17 na. Yeah, alas na sila natapos. Kasi nakapag-order pa kami ng etong makas. Si Jan hindi na sasama, guys. Diyos ko, yung bulong ng bulong sa akin dyan. When Holly's gonna come out? Pero I don't know. Kahit may program kami, nakalagay kasi by number. So, sila Holly 322. Tapos, makikita namin, chini-change yung number na 325 kasi may naka-ano doon, yung parang may monitor doon na kung anong next. Tapos sabi rin dyan, what's going on? I thought Holly's gonna be next. Ako, I don't know. Kasi may program ng kami tinitingnan, pero hindi naman yung pinapal. Pero sabi naman ng iba, dito raw sa Hamilton, hindi daw sa time. So, I don't know. So, hintay lang kami doon. Tapos si Jan, inip na hindi na to sasama, guys. As in, na-stress na ako sa kanya. Tanong ng tanong, kailan si Holly? Kailan si Holly? You stress me out there, babe. Asking me all the time. So just wait, hi. She's gonna come out when their time. So, dalawang entry nila Holly. First sila sa Jazz. Then, third sa isa. Kasi dalawa yung entry nila. Yung kasi, yung etong naka-purple siya kanina, yung Mary Poppins. Ang ganda ng routine nila, kaso lang mali yung music na naisa lang, yung walang cut. So para doon sa in the middle ng sayaw nila, sila doon, nag-stop ng like seconds kasi nga dapat na-cut yun. So hindi nila kasalanan ng guro nila yun. Bakit yun ang sinalang na music. Ang ganda-ganda. Nagulat nga si Jan bakit hindi sila ang nanalo. Kasi ang ganda talaga. Wala silang mali. Nakatayo lang sila doon na second. Kasi nga, hindi yun yung
So why all that Holly? Where is it?
Yep.
What did I do?
Nakatayo lang sila doon for second. So, syempre, walang nangyayari. Kasi hindi yun yung routine nila. So, ano ba yan? Ang tagal yung pinag-practice yan. Doon sa Millicent.
I don't like the nuggets.
Huh? You don't like the nuggets?
Do you
I
want
can
this?
have it, yeah. Sa Millicent, okay naman yung nila, first sila
You
doon.
gonna eat that? God.
What's this?
You gonna eat it?
No. I thought this is nuggets.
Uh-uh.
No, I don't
Yeah, I
want
want any more, Bob.
it. No.
Can I just want some nuggets? I'm
Okay.
gonna save this.
Good job, Baba.
Oh, wait, thank you.
Gutom na siya. Biyay pa tayong 1 hour and a half. This is the only chips, huh? No more?
Where'd my chips go?
Hmm? Daddy likes the hip hop, Baba.
Oh,
Are you done? I thought you liked hip hop.
put lipstick on it, Bob.
Kinakain niya yung tira niyo.
Mark, can I have some chips, please? Did you know? Just, okay.
Parang hindi ko rin ito maubos. Hindi ang kakain. Ito mamaya.
Think you got it all mapped out. Sound so self-assured when you talk about all the things you're gonna do. You gon' let the world make your dreams come true. What a shame. I fooled you twice. Bet you think you know it all. Think you had your back against the wall. Now it's time to get your babe. Never.
Pala kayo dito sa Dartmoor. And nakikita yung gripong yan. Sabi ni Jan, simula bata pa siya, walang tigil daw ang pagbuhos ng tubig dyan. Ayan, kita niyo ba? Ganun na lang kasi kasum eh. Hindi ko alam. Yan na yung pinakasum. So yung tubig na nakikita niyo. Nakapunta na tayo dito nung pumunta kami sa falls. May falls dito malapit dito sa Dartmoor. So napunta natin yun. kasama ko kayo nun. Char. So, fresh water daw yan from the rain. Na maraming tao din na kumukuha ng tubig dyan. Uminom na si Jan. Kanina, sa phone ko blinag. Ayan pala sila nakatulog na. It's Monday. And, eto hindi pumasok. Ano na guys, nagluluto na ako ng dinner.
I enjoy chicken.
Yeah,
Not. And Dad's having Philip money.
Philimin yan.
Philip money.
Yung boses niya nawawala. Pinainom ko na siya ng Nurofen and cough medicine. So, mamaya, after dinner, inom ulit siya. So, yeah, hapon na guys. It's Monday!
I didn't.
Tinext ko din yung teacher niya sa dance kasi napaka-stricto dun. Sabi ko may sakit siya. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna continue cooking. So, ito yung dinner ni Johnny Boy. May tira pa kasi ako isang silimin yun. Kung maalala nyo, hindi ko inubos. Ito yun. Ito sa mga bata, honey soy chicken and mag-egg soup ako para kay Holly. Si Kuya, mini-measure ni Jan kung ilang height niya. 50 kilos si Kuya. And then, yung height, inaalam pa. Ito na yung ating gagawing honey soy chicken. So, minarinate ko lang siya sa garlic powder, paprika, salt, vegeta. Tapos, ito yung mixture natin na ilalagay. Tapos, nag-set aside ako. Ito ay corn flour, and then maglalagay pa pala ng pepper. Hindi ko pa siya nalagyan ng pepper. And yung mga pampalasa nyo. Yun lang. Alright, ibubuhos ko yan dito.
Chicken? What's up?
It's hot, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot.
Is this the same chicken?
Yeah, but I didn't put eggs this time.
Why?
I just put water.
Why?
It's okay. The same, it's just I didn't put eggs. Was it?
It's make a difference. It's too good though. Oh.
It's hot, huh? It's hot.
Oh, that one. At the back. At the
This
back.
one, this one,
There, that one there.
it's hot.
Here. Oh, this one's off.
This one na lang. Kaya, this one na lang. But it's still hot, huh?
Mmm.
I know. Is it crispy?
Yeah. Do you put actual honey in it?
Yeah, later for the
They put
sauce.
sesame seeds.
Honey soy chicken, yes. Of course you have to put honey.
And you put sushi.
Yeah. You watch me cook, so you know. Crispy?
Yeah. Sure.
No, I'm good. Thank you. Okay, that's the last. I'm gonna make the sauce.
Nice.
Ayan na yung kay Johnny Boy. Kain na siya guys. Filet mignon.
Okay.
Luto na pala yung ulam ng mga bata. And meron na rin tayo ditong egg corn soup. Ang nakalimutan ko ay yung rice, guys. Nakalimutan natin magsaing. Si Jan tapos nang kumain. Pinahigop ko muna siya ng sabaw. Kaya ako nagluto ng sabaw para sa kanya kasi naghihingi siya ng sabaw eh. You like it? Si Kuya kumuha na, guys. Tingnan nyo. Kinalahati.
Hey, guys. What now?
Kuya took a lot.
Where is he?
Like half.
Rizla?
Ayun yung plate ni
What's
Kuya.
that?
Ayun yung plate ni Kuya. Oh.
He took half. He took half.
Yeah.
Reckon you will, big boy?
Does he
Sarap.
like it?
Yes,
Do
yeah.
you like it, Rod?
Yeah.
Nah, said he don't like it.
What do I wear?
You got your other, where's your other stuff? Yeah,
I'm not wearing that.
why not? Wear your ace top. Ace jumper.
Baba, come on.
Short shirt.
How about the soup?
What's that called?
Oh,
Chair
boss.
out, mate.
Oi.
Get in.
Parsley na lang yung akin. Okay, guys. See you next time.
Time, so